सा दीक्षा न सा भिक्षा न तदान न ततपः न तद्ध्यानं न तद्मौनम् उदारता यत् न विद्यते। उदारता के बगैर दीक्षा भिक्षा दान तप
Hina, your voice is not clear.
न सा दीक्षा न सा भिक्षा न तदान न तत्पः न तद्ध्यानं न तद्मौनम् उदारता यत् न विद्यते। अर्थात उदारता के बगैर दीक्षा भिक्षा दान तप ध्यान और मौन सब व्यर्थ है। Generosity is the virtue of giving good things to others freely and amply. It involves immersing the students in an environment where they can bring their energy, creativity, and treasure giving skills into action.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I extend a warm welcome to our dynamic principal cum director, ma'am, Ms. Manju Rana, our guest of the day, Mr. Vineet Prakash, our zestful vice principal, Ms. Veej Prabha, ma'am, our considerate headmistress, ma'am, Ms. Indu Kohli and Ms. Sonal Srivastava, our compassionate coordinators, Ms. Parul Mittal and Ms. Kumud Sharma.
We at St. Hanandram Jacqueline School have always believed that values and knowledge received at a young age plays a major role in shaping up the children into mature and more productive adults who can be valuable citizens. The school, under the urgent and exhilarated leadership of our Honorable Principal cum Director Mrs. Manju Rana Ma'am, has been working relentlessly toward infusing a spirit of lifetime service among the students' community of the school at large. She always motivated students and teachers to take new initiatives and provide their complete support toward the effective implementation of these initiatives.
Our guest of the day, Mr. Vineet Prakash, is a young professional social worker who is currently working as an assistant to the chairman of a committee at Bihar Legislative Council. At the age of 15, he founded a voluntary-based organization named RAP, that is Revolution Against Pollution. He is a fellow of American Center, New Delhi and Lead India. Today, we all are gathered here to explore the power of being generous and spreading kindness. Before beginning this presentation, I would like to share some guidelines with you all. Please keep your videos off and mic on mute as it will help us in better connectivity. Looking forward for your cooperation. So ma'am, with your due permission, can we start our assembly?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Over to our anchors.
Good morning, Principal cum Director Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teacher and my dear friends. Today, we the students of class 2B and 2C are going to present our assembly on a very deep and inspiring topic. Wait. Before starting our assembly, let's start our day with prayer. Because when we pray for others, God listens to you and blesses them. So when you are safe and happy, remember that someone is praying for you. So join your hands and close your eyes and let's pray for everyone.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
May it be a pandemic even then. Our school was brimming with activities and achievements. So let's have a glimpse of some of them.
Good morning everyone. Today's campus news is Principal cum Director Miss Manju Rana is the proud recipient of the SOF Best Zonal Principal Award 2020-21 Uttar Pradesh Zone. Headmistress Miss Sonal Srivastav was felicitated with Best Zonal Teacher Award of Uttar Pradesh Zone. Heartiest congratulations! Microsoft has recognized St. Anandram Jaipuriya School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad as a showcase school. Our 65 teachers have earned the badge of MIEE this year and have added a new feather in a glorious cap. We feel proud to share that another feather in our cap has been added as St. Anandram Jaipuriya School, Ghaziabad has earned the badge of Backlight School. St. Anandram Jaipuriya School takes immense pride in announcing the meritorious feat of Harsh Singh, class 12th 2019-20 batch, as he makes it to the final list of NDA with All India rank 147. Our celebrated International Day of Peace 21 September 2021 by engaging in green initiatives, plantation, various other awareness activities under special guidance and motivation of our National Awardee 2019 Principal cum Director Ms. Manju Rana. Health education curriculum successfully launched by St. Anandram Jaipuriya School in collaboration with Samadhi Teachers Training Academy of Research, Ghaziabad on Friday, September 17. The launch happened in the virtual mode in the presence of the ceremony's chief guest Mr. Anurag Tripathi, Secretary CBSE. Thank you.
You guys must be thinking, what is the topic of the assembly? So let's watch this wonderful video. I hope you all understood today's topic. habit of giving freely without expecting anything in return. So today our topic is generosity. This term often goes hand in hand with charity.
Yes, my friend, I have learned the same in our state Anandam Japuria school. Do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can.
Now, my friend, it's just what to share one thought with all us.
It's my pleasure to come here and share my beautiful thought which can act as a catalyst to change our thing towards people. Your gift should all and yet always feel as if it cost you nothing. You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you.
Wow, yes, Ashvi, what a wonderful thought. We all should be proud to be Japurians.
Let us assassinate every hatred, jealousy, egoism, and illuminate the fire within us, which is called generosity. Let's see how my friends have done it together. Sometimes we are selfish but don't even know it. Sometimes we are happy but don't want to show it. Another boy was bored of these things, and when he saw others happy, he would make us think. He thought,
Why is it so? I can't seem to see why happiness found others but hasn't found me. Maybe it's this. I know what to do. If I find what they have, I find happiness too.
Out what it was that they had, and so know what was making them glad. First, he came to Prishita. Prishita is a kind-hearted girl, and when it came to happiness, there was no doubt that she had it.
Rishita, my dear friend, what makes you so happy from this start to its end?
Oh, my friend, if I give all the reasons, it would sure take a while. But here is just one of the things which I learned from my teachers that spreading the generosity gives us more eternal happiness. So I would love to give my most favorite teddy to you, and it makes me feel happy. Giving is better, far better than getting. I know it may not seem true, but just try it once, and you will find what you are missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
Anna ran away from there that she might be wrong. Giving is better, more than old silly song. He ran to his other friend, Raghav, who might have brought
Raghav.
him.
Tell me please, how can it be you never stop smiling?
Dear friends, I'm thankful for all that I had in my life. I'm thankful to my school and especially to my principal cum director, Mrs. Manju Rana ma'am. as they made me understand the importance of nature through Eno Club. Our principal cum director ma'am always inspire us to take initiative for plantation. Tree plantation program was conducted and the green belt near the school premises. I plant a tree on my birthday every year. Now I'm giving you a token of love which will enrich our environment. Giving is better, far better than getting. I know it not may seem true, but just try it once and you will find what you are missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
Enough kept going. We tried before. How can it be better? Let's come have more. And we went to art there, the most unselfish girl. Maybe she knows the way to help enough.
Adya, please help me. I can't seem to find why everyone's heart is more happy than mine.
I know what are you seeking. I always help my elders indeed. If they want anything they need, as our school organized donation camp of clothes, medicines, books for underprivileged people. There I felt that showing generosity towards needy people gives a feeling of contentment. I want to give you my jacket gifted by my grandparents. It will remind you my love and affection when you will wear it. The giving is better, far better than I know it may not seem true. But just try it once and you will find what you are missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
Enough thought is a nice gift. But they just haven't helped and finally no answer.
Enough time to go home. When you saw a poor child looking sad and shivering in cold,
Tell me, my friend, why are you so sad?
I am very poor and orphan too. I don't even have clothes to cover my body.
Enough waste. He could have what he could do. How? What he make the poor boy happy then Annam remembered all the gifts in his bag and perhaps to be happy.
I think I have got what you need, and all because of others have been so generous to me. I want to give you my few clothes, eatable as well as my few toys, my stationery, and my old books. Being Japurian, I know how to help the needy people.
Clothes to cover my body. How can I thank you? I don't have anything to give you in return. Yes, but I promise you always do good to others, and I will also keep the spirit of generosity in me.
Enough felt kind of change. The sting in his heart had suddenly changed. Though his bag was now empty, his heart overflowed. Was it the generosity he had shown?
Then Anna realized he had it all wrong. Trying to be happy. That had something that all wrong. He realized that yes, there is something within that he has it all the while.
Anna was much happier now, and when others liked to buy, he would sing to tell how.
you will find what you are missing. The giving is better for me and for you.
Wow, amazing. Seeing this today, I have got something illuminated in me too. Now my friend Tanmay will show emotions that we feel when we show generosity.
उदारता उदारता को शब्दों में नहीं तौला जा सकता। उदारता खुद में संपूर्ण है, वे किसी शारीरिक क्षमताओं की मोहताज नहीं है। तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे एक बच्चा अपनी उदारता और मानवता का परिचय देता है।
Generosity is a way to send love into the world. Share or give something that has meaning for you. Do not expect anything in return. Give with all your heart. Don't hold back.
Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty. In words, some of our friends will recite a poem. Every day we show kindness with our smiles by what we do and what we say. When I help a friend that is feeling sad, or I do an extra chore, I'm spreading kindness everywhere. busy every day. Kindness becomes a gift we give in so many different ways. When life flies by so very fast and it gets busy every day, kindness becomes a gift we give in so many different ways. In so many different ways. So many different ways. What a beautiful poem. So let's take a pledge to spread generosity. Let us all take a pledge together that we will not give up on generosity. I pledge to always be encouraging and supportive in my words. I pledge to be responsible and helpful when at all possible. I pledge to be thankful and positive at all times. I pledge to be honest. I pledge to be considerate and respectful of others no matter what. I pledge to be a friend. La 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 la. Oh, why all of a sudden you starting humming? Because some of our friends are going to present an energetic dance performance. Welcome them with loud applause.
Got a rhythm in my heart and in my soul. Got a reason for this joy I can't control. I wanna sing, I wanna dance, and give everyone a chance to hear about this endless love I know. Oh, what you give to me is not for me to keep, it's for the world to see your love. Every day you're giving me your kindness. Every day you're giving me your love. Oh, with every single breath I am reminded that what you give is more than enough. So I'll give a little kindness, give a little kindness, give a little love away. Give a little kindness, give a little kindness, give a little love away. Yeah, you make me shine, you make me glow. You pick me up when I am feeling low. I wanna sing, I wanna dance, and give everyone a chance to hear about this endless love I know. Oh, what you give to me is not for me to keep, it's for the world to see your love. Every day you're giving me your kindness. Every day you're giving me your love. Oh, with every single breath I am reminded that what you give is more than enough. So I'll give a little kindness, give a little kindness, give a little love away. Give a little kindness, give a little kindness, give a little love away. Can't keep it to myself, gotta share it with someone else. Your kindness overwhelms my heart, my heart.
Wow, what a wonderful performance. And I hope you all like our assembly. Thank you for joining us.
Now, we would like to call our principal cum director, ma'am, to enlighten us with her valuable words. Please, ma'am. Now we would like to call our principal cum director, ma'am, to enlighten us with her valuable words. Ma'am, please.
I think there is some network problem, I suppose. Ma'am has a network problem. Just wait for a second.
Sure.
So
Yes.
there is a huge network issue actually. So that's the reason why I did not switch on my video. But I need to say wonderful assembly on generosity, the habit of giving freely. You know, I always feel the generosity and kindness, you know, they've all come together. And if you're generous, then obviously you're kind. And I think it's a beautiful habit of giving without actually expecting anything in return. And that's the beauty of its word itself. When we talk about generosity, I would request children to be generous in also showing your gratitude towards others. Because I think sometimes we are not so generous in, you know, saying words like, thank you, you know, you have been kind. So I think it is very, very important to also be generous in showing your gratitudes, because it does help you, you know, shields you also from a lot of negativity, and you feel makes you much more happier. And I think it is also one of the way to eliminate stress, boost your self-esteem, and I think it builds beautiful relationships. I think
Shruti, please mute yourself, beta.
so. I would like to just say that it had been wonderful assembly by the class teachers, and we have with us, I think, Mr. Vineet Prakash. He has been an NGO with RAP, and I think it will be good if we hear from him the kind of work that he's doing and how the school can be engaged in taking it forward. Thank you.
We would like to call our guest to share his view about our assembly and apprise us with his thoughts. Please mute yourself,
Mute
Shruti.
yourself, Shruti. Please, Shruti, please mute yourself.
It's totally fine. Like, let them be what they are. So yeah.
ये तो दूसरा प्रिंसिपल है.
Shruti Pandey, please mute yourself.
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to, you know, pranam everyone with my folded hand. And it was really an honor for me to, you know, to see this performance. I mean, it was fabulous. I can't explain the kind of, you know, the kind of hard work has been put in by faculty to, you know, prepare these things in such an online mode. And when I was watching, I was thinking like still I'm able to do that much of work, you know, the way they have performed. So that is really inspiring for me. With regard to the topic, like principal ma'am, one other student itself, you know, so various example. Just I want to say कि whatever you have been told through your presentation, through your work, and whatever your faculty taught, just you need to practice it. Just practice again and again. Once you start practicing generosity, it will become your habits. When you start practicing your habits, it will become your nature. And when you start practicing your nature, it will become a part of your life. And when something become a part of your life, like no one can take it from you. Your habit can be changed, your nature can be changed, but if it's become a part of your life, no one can, you know, change or take it. So generosity is very example. I would just like to share one example. When I was in class, ninth, I was thinking what I will do with my education. Like if I am reading about Sundarlal Bahuguna and other social activists, I was like, if I will do this thing just to, you know, get good marks in the exam, there is no true and real meaning for education. So if we really want to serve people, if we really want to contribute ourselves in nation building, development, society, or family development itself, or our self development itself, generosity is one of the very important thing which we need to like practice daily in our life. And whatever we can, we should do. We should never think about हमारे पास ये नहीं है, हमारे पास वो नहीं है. Whatever we have, we can try to do. And COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen how people are generous, and how as a country we are able to fight that, having a very big population and having everything, lack of health infrastructure and everything. But just because of the generosity, I can say we are able to come up like this way. And finally we have vaccines. So children, I would like to thank you once again for your performance. It was really amazing for me, especially in the digital mode. I just completed my masters and started doing my job, but I have been working in the social sector from last 6 to 7 years. So whatever you have spoke today, just practice in your life, practice everywhere, whatever you are at what position. That's how you will able to contribute for your nation development. And again, I would like to thank teacher, faculty, principals for such like preparing them, because for me it was very difficult to speak in front of class standard 2 student. I was like, मैं क्या बोलूँगा? But whatever they have done is really a great thing. So I would again like to thank each and every faculty, principal, especially for inviting me and think I am able to speak on this topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words, and thanks a lot for taking out time for us.
I want to especially thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. We just wanted to express how glad we are to work under your leadership. We are genuinely proud to be led by such a great mentor. Thank you, ma'am, for everything. Thank you, ma'am. And now I would call one of our prestigious parents, Mrs. Neha Kotnala, to say a few words.
Great applause for the kids and the teachers first. And good morning, respected principal ma'am, coordinator, teachers, students, and the parents, and everyone present here. I, Neha Kotnala, mother of Punna Kotnala, would like to appreciate the efforts of the teachers, students, and the parents of St. Anandam Jaipur School. I am working as an admission counselor in a preschool, and I always suggest to all the parents this need the St. Anandam Jaipur to all the parents for the schooling of their child, for betterment for the child also. That trust and belief and the confidence I have in Jaipuria school. And as a parent, if I'm talking about as a parent, I am very happy with how Jaipuria is excel in the field of academic and curricular activities, especially SEL activities like the design thinking classes. I think basic reason behind the success is the leadership of our principal ma'am, Mrs. Manjurana ma'am, and the coordinator and the teachers who are working very hard for the success of our kids, especially in the pandemic. Jaipuria has made the learning continue during this difficult time. My son is always excited to take his class, take his online classes, because the teachers give learning to them in a very fun and interesting way. We are content with the progress, and the efforts are commendable. If I talk about my today's topic, the generosity chosen by the teachers is so thoughtful and important for the kids. And if kids will learn generosity at an earlier age, then these kids will grow up to the extraordinarily generous people. Apart from making toddlers happier, generosity may also help them build trust and a stronger social ties, and even improve their mental and the physical health. Now, in the end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the teachers, especially Mrs. Hina ma'am and Mrs. Nitika ma'am, for putting your heart and soul to make the assembly such a great success. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I wish you all the great success to all the Jaipurians. Thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am, for your appreciative feedback. Thank you so much.
very big thank to all the honored guests present here. Our sincere gratitude to the parents and our lovely kids for their hard work and support. Without them, this all would have not been possible. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Children were really amazing, so confident.
Bye, ma'am.
Very
Bye.
positive.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Bye, ma'am.
ma'am, could we end this
Have a
meeting?
nice day.
Ma'am, now,
Bye, ma'am.
ma'am, now can we end this meeting?
Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, parents. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.